السلام عليكم. marka ugu horeysa waxaan jeclahay inaan dhammaantiin idin soo dhaweeyo International Women's Day. maanta sida ogtihiin waa maalin aad iyo aad noogu weyn haddii aynu nahay dumarka Soomaaliyeed iyo dabcan haweenka adduunka dhan. waxaan isugu nimaanayna waxa weeye runtii in aan muujino haddii aynu nahay dumarka Soomaaliyeed in aanu nahay dad wax qabad badan, dad taariikh dheer leh. badankeed taariikhdeena lama maqlo, laakiin annaka waxaan ku dadaalaynaa haddaanu nahay Somali Women Circle Network in aan ka hadalno intii tabarteena ah oo historyga gelino insha Allah. caawa marka haddii aan wax yar inkaga sheego, aniga horta haddaa iskiin baro waxaa la dhahaa Ifraax, qaarkiin waxay i taqaanaan Socdi, marka Ifraax Socdi aa dhahaa, labada magac isku wataa. waxaan ka mid ahay board memberka Somali Women Circle Network. waxaan ahay actually dadka ugu dambeeyay oo kusoo biira. 3 years ago I was elected as a board member. Marka I'm very proud to be a member of the organization. So I was just saying, for those of you that don't speak Somali, I was just saying welcome to our International Women's Day event. And just to tell you a little bit about Somali Women Circle Network, some of you may not be familiar with it. It was actually created back in 2011 by 4 strong Somali educated women right here in Ottawa. And the purpose of the organization is really to empower and mobilize Somali women everywhere, both in Somalia and right here in the diaspora. So tonight, I will not be your host for the night. So I'm here to actually introduce the host of the night. Her name is Reiso. Just to tell you a little bit about Reiso, she is an avid promoter of peace, healthy living, mental wellness, and self-care. She has previously studied biomedical science and is currently in the Interdisciplinary School of Health Science at the University of Ottawa. Reiso is also currently working on creative content for a podcast called Strangers at Home. Previously, she has worked with the Pinecrest Queensway Community Health Center as a youth worker in mental health. and Somali Center for Family Services in partnership with the Ottawa Public Health. She also worked as a volunteer trainer and facilitator with UCAN. Raiso finds that a great way to connect with her heritage, history, and culture is through art, her greatest expression being folklore dancing to the beat of African drums. This medium has been an essential outlet for her personal growth and has provided her with the foundation to embrace her sense of identity. So please help me welcome Raiso to the stage.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you guys for this another year of International Women's Day celebration that is hosted by the Somali Women Network, Circle Network. Let's give them a round of applause. It's super important to come here today on our quest for equality, starting with celebrating Somali women's accomplishments internationally. We have a great program for you guys. We're gonna have inspirational speeches, an amazing surprise right before dinner, and of course we'll have dinner, entertainment. But before we get started, I would like to welcome Saad to the stage for Quran recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذين هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا وأنذرنا من المؤثرات ماء ثجاجا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات الألفافا إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا يوم ينفخ في السور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبواجا وصيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا لابثين فيها أحقابا.
Jazakallah khair, Saad, for that Quran recitation. It's important to remember that anytime we're at such a large gathering like this, that we always put Allah first.